Okay, hi guys, it's enchanted here, and I'm gonna do a contest with two of my friends. So first, the contest will be the most craziest. So I'm gonna tell them craziest. We're gonna give them a little bit to keep on rolling here. One second. So one or the other can win a prize. Okay? And so I'm just gonna dance with them. Oh, it looks like somebody else joined, so just so crazy. It's a contest. Wait. Oh my gosh. Natal. Alright, so dance one done. Or sleep, I guess. So we're just waiting for her. Okay. I'm trying to think of who the winner. I'm sorry, but I'm gonna have to go with little fast jump. What? Ah. So little fast gem won. Okay. So I'm going to give her a prize. So yeah. Thank you for watching.